Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be cooking salmon salad, and we have 240 grams of salmon fillet, and we have 1 red onion, 3 cups of multi green lettuce and multi-red lettuce. We have 1 avocado, 1 tomato, 2 small carrots, a plantain, 1 lime should I say, sorry. And we also have 1 tablespoon of fish seasoning and 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning and 1 teaspoon of salt. Today I'll be showing you how to dice up your vegetables, your ingredients. So we're going to start with the carrot. So we're going to cut the carrots in small slices. Our tomato, we only need about 1/4 cup of tomatoes. There we sliced our tomato. And we're going to dice up our onion. We only need about 1/4 of this onion. Next I'll be slicing up 1/4 of plantain. Don't want it too thick, I just want it so it'll cook quickly. Next I'll be showing you how to season up the salmon. I've got 1 tablespoon of fish seasoning. I'm seasoning both sides of the salmon. And then I'm putting some all-purpose seasoning on it as well. Turn it over for you so you can see it. Turn it over. And I'm going to sprinkle it with some black pepper. Now we're going to saute the salmon for you. I've already put the heat on, the gas. And I'm going to spread a bit of 1 calorie olive oil inside. These have been cooking now for 3 minutes, so I'm going to turn them over for you. So you can see it's going pink at the side, with some sort of pink. There you have it now. I've turned the salmon and they're cooked, so I'm going to put them, lay them in the red leaf, multi-leaf lettuce and green. There you have it. What we're going to do now is just fry sliced plantain, which is about 1/2 cup. And remember that plantain is very good for the body, and it's also low in carbs. This plantain is cooking for about 3 minutes now, so I'm just going to turn them over for you. Okay, now our plantain is fried and ready. So what we're going to do now is just dish out everything. So we're going to put just the carrots. Remember, carrots is very good for your carotene, vitamin A. Put a bit of carrot there. And then put some tomatoes, which we're using about 1/4 of a tomato. There you have it. Then we put a bit of onion. Less than 1/4 of onion. Then we got this avocado. And the avocado is about 1/4 of an avocado. And then we're going to put our plantain on, which is about 9 pieces of plantain. And remember, as I said, salmon was good for you. It's got omega-3 in the salmon, and it's got the tomatoes are good for your heart, and the avocado is also good. So there you have it. We're just going to squeeze some lime on it. Today we should have had some lemon, but we've got some limes. That's what it looks like when it's finished. And we'll ask you to support the channel and subscribe.